This is the most water I have ever seen on the main street of Hugh Springs. Those steps. There are steps right in front of me where that sidewalk is. It's about 3 feet off the ground. Across the street, I don't know if I can get it, but across the street, it is totally going into that building any minute now, if it isn't already. And over there, where that light is, it's amazing. I have never seen anything like this before. Never in Hugh Springs. Since all the rain we've had, this is brand new. It's just absolutely incredible. I'm going to have to start worrying about whether it's going to get over the sidewalk and into my house. I have never, ever seen this much water on this street. I can't imagine how much it's in the places down the street or out back. Oh my goodness, I hadn't even thought about my backyard. I'm going to have to check that. Might be coming in the back door. Police are down the street warning everybody off, thank God. Just absolutely incredible. Absolutely unreal. There's actually somebody a truck coming through it. I don't know if you can see this or not. It's a pickup truck with a trailer, I think. Shouldn't be doing it. Crazy. You can see how deep it is on those wheels. At least they're in the middle. It's higher in the middle, I guess. I've never seen anything like this.